Okay, welcome to week one of PSD 101. So your assignments this week, this class is going to be it's going to go in a pattern on, you need to have an initial discussion post posted by Wednesday, two responses posted by Saturday, and then you have a paper and a quiz to do on Sunday. So it's pretty easy as far as that. So let's look at week one's discussion post and week one paper. Now, as far as the discussion boards go, I am pretty open. There's no real specific format. My only request is that if it's a fact that is not general knowledge, that you cite to it. So this week we're looking at, is equality as one of the founding, American values? Are we meeting the goals of the founding fathers, or do we fall short? So for that, you can look in your textbook to see what the goals of, or do outside research. What were the goals of the founding fathers when they established the United States? What did they think about things like the LGBTQ community back then? Did they think about the rights of people with disabilities? Did people even live with disabilities back then, right? Or it can be any other topic that you find interesting as to where we are falling short or whether we're meeting the goals. So it is a persuasive, prompt because we're asking you to take an opinion. Please use your opinion, but also reference if cite to anything. And then for your paper, I really like the way that the paper prompt is written. So we're looking at federalism and the Affordable Care Act. So the idea of federalism is that different states have different laws, but there's also federal laws. So it's a 400 to 500 word paper. So just to warn you guys, your papers are going to get longer as the term goes on. It'll top off at 1,000 words up. So organize your paper just like this is organized here. Your introduction can start with, what is the Affordable Care Act? How did it change health insurance coverage, and what are its key features? And then you can go into, what are the differences between the state Medicaid expansion, which states expanded and which ones did not? Tell me why some of the states did not expand. And then you pick two states, one with expansion and one without, and compare and contrast the health outcomes. You can look at things like insurance rates, healthcare debt, anything listed here. And then it'll be in APA formatting. So the easiest thing with APA formatting is it's going to have a cover page and their references are going to be in APA format. So what I'm looking for evidence, statistics, data, or quotes. If you use a quote in your text, please make sure you're citing to it. It's proofread with proper grammar and punctuation. Is well organized, so just follow this organization here. Don't use I statements. So, don't say things like, I believe the Affordable Care Act did this. Just say the Affordable Care Act did, whatever you're trying to say. Make it flow and use the APA citations. Okay. Please reach out if you have any questions to me, and have a good day.